Who's there, Isaac? What trains do you have?
Coco and Rooster were falling off the tracks.
Uh-oh.
I can't play with the toys to take that. So these toys are blocked down.
Do you have hiccups?
This Coco and Rooster fall off the tracks.
Who else has fell off the tracks? Who's all over there? Is that Salty over there? Is Salty over there?
No, Daddy. Uh-oh.
What?
My trains were falling off the track.
Is that? Who's that? Which one's that?
I hope so, Zebra.